Hi, this is Diet GPA Pennsylvania group on campus. We are Mutte, Chen, and Nikolas Abraham. Our topic is on how diet affects GPA, and we are utilizing this dataset, which is a .csv file, which is attached to this notebook. In that dataset, it gives us the info on the diets of American university students, specifically those from Mercyhurst University in Erie, Pennsylvania. It also gives us their GPAs. All right, so I'll be telling you about our first visualization here. And this is a GPA to comfort food bar chart. What we hope to achieve here was to use a random dimension such as comfort food to see if it would give us a visible relationship that we can conclude, that we can make conclusions on. However, as you can see, this dimension was simply just too large and too busy, and it would require a lot of dimension cleaning before it becomes viable to us. So therefore, we abandoned this visualization.
So looking at the next visualization, the same can be said for this one. We try to use a different method with the scatter plot, but essentially with the same dimensions that has a lot of random variables inside. So we weren't able to find a relationship between the GPA and the healthy meal. And then moving on to the actual visualization that we made is a relation to the attention of calories per day, how important students view their daily calorie intake, and GPA, with the diet curve coded, which is how students judge their own diets for the bottom visualizations. So our main feature that we wanted to talk about here is the hovering tooltip feature that will give users all of the information for that specific student. We also have a mean and median displayed for each case. The reasoning behind us using this visualization is because we wanted to see if students that actually do care about their calories per day affect their GPA, and if it is reflected on their current diet plan.
And for our last visualization, it is very similar to the above visualization, but instead we are just utilizing a different dimension, which is the reasons behind these students to eat their comfort food and how that relates to their GPA. For this visualization, we also implemented the unhover tooltip, which also gives you all the data for each specific dot. And for this visualization, we only gave the mean because it was sufficient enough for us to draw conclusions on it. So that's all for our project. Thank you for listening.